Hey guys, welcome back to another midweek episode. Today's video is a requested video and it's people who have been asking us how we live in such a small space and any little tips or tricks that we have. So today I'm going to just go through 3 little things that are super handy for us. So these 3 things are going to optimize your space if you're living in a small van like us, a big van, 24 foot, and it's just going to make your life easier living in a caravan or a van. So the first one that we have is super easy and it's the hat hooks. So everyone always asks how I store my hats, and I'm very, very particular because I don't like the rim. Oh,
that doesn't sound good. Cut.
I don't like the hat getting all out of shape. I'm very OCD about it. So I just went to Red Dot and I got some suction hooks, and then they just sit on the wall like that. Previously I had them on the roof, but that was so hard to make, and this way it's not damaging the walls or anything because it will just come straight off.
So easy, and it seems very obvious, but a lot of people have been absolutely frothing this idea. And so like Sarah said, if you got an Akubra or any sort of nice hat, and
it just keeps them out of the way, they're right in the corner, they're not in Keelan's way, they're not in my way. There's only one more hat that needs a spot, but that just lives in the car. Alright, the second thing is our All Smalls laundry hanger thing. So pretty much it's a pegless clothesline. So all of these little things act as pegs, and all you do is you just get your bathers or your socks or whatever and go like that, and they hang. It's so good, and because it has these little straps, you can literally just put it around anything. You can do big poles, so we put it outside on the awning, hang the bathers on it. You can even put your fishing rods in there. I've seen people do that. And you just, oops, now I'm going to make it look hard. So all you do is you just place it on, wrap it around, and then it just hooks on.
When we do washing days, guys, Sarah puts one on that side of the van and also this side, and all it does is just make it easier. We don't have to, if it's raining outside or if the weather's not the best permitting washing, so we just bring it inside. So yeah, pretty much All Smalls, optimizing your space for washing days, and we love it.
So it's not just for your All Smalls, we also hang shirts and
all
stuff
larges.
Yeah, and it just hangs and everything dries, so so handy. Alright, next one is a laundry basket, which is folding, so good, and then it literally folds up to literally nothing, so you can just place it down the side of something and it's not in the way.
One thing that everyone has trouble with that we know of is where to put their laundry basket. So this one is one that everyone will be able to relate to because it's an issue in every van. And honestly, having this, we just normally put it just on this side of the seat underneath the TV, and it's out of the way. It folds up to nearly nothing. It doesn't weigh anything, and yeah, we love it. We don't have any sort of discount code or anything for that one.
That's just a Red Dot job, $4.
Red Dot.
I think we'd make 4 cents on it if we were selling these. But yeah, super handy. And if you are traveling, make sure you're using this for a double purpose. So don't carry this as well as a washing basket. Just use it all for the same thing. I tried to carry a washing basket and Keelan said no, but it makes sense. The last thing that we're going to talk about is a Fusion lock suction basket thing for your laundry. These things are insane. They literally suction onto your walls, and they do not come off no matter how corrugated or how bumpy the road is. So that holds all of our bathroom products in it, and it is so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tips and tricks. If there's anything that you want me to talk about or Keelan to talk about with the car, let us know in the comments and we can do another video. If you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yo!